Welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, my name is Des. We are on day 18 or 25 or 30, some people 40 of quarantine. I'm not sure. I hope you guys are doing okay, staying safe. But personally, I serve a gracious God, a merciful God, a God that is loving, and he's not going to allow this to continue forever. So I'm trying to think optimistically about the next step we have. Birthdays, whatever celebratory things we had, yes, they're on pause right now, but we can still celebrate them in some form or fashion. And of course, we're gonna need our hair done. So I wanted to show you guys an affordable wig, super affordable, like under $30. I believe I paid $25 for this wig. I'm trying to show y'all a wig that's affordable because we all know like the budget is pretty tight right now for a lot of us. Today I'm serving Beyonce, I'm serving Jackie Aina, I'm serving even maybe possibly Aaliyah's face with that wig she got made. I'm serving one of them. I'm serving Ash Blonde. I have the stock card right here, y'all. This is what it looks like. This is the FreeTress equal 5-inch lace part wig in the style Valentino, and I have it in the color FF Hot Cocoa. This is a curling iron safe up to 400-degree synthetic wig, and it's just bomb. Like, I kept seeing reviews for this wig, especially when Beyonce dropped that photo. I'm gonna put the photo right here when Beyonce dropped that photo, y'all. And I tried blonde hair for the first time a year or two ago for my birthday, and I'm like, yes, I want more blonde, more blonde, more blonde. So we got more blonde. So okay, let's get into this wig and what I think about it. So today is the first day I'm ever wearing this wig. Obviously I'm not leaving the house, so I can't speak to longevity, although I already have a little thing that I feel like longevity would be affected by with this wig. But for the most part, as far as the style, it looks amazing. Like, this is exactly what I want. I thought the curl was gonna be kind of like tighter, but it's really not. It's more like a loose wave. I feel like the stock card is a little bit deceiving. Like, I don't know, they can't, for some reason the wigs don't look as good on the stock model. Maybe if I was the stock model it would look better, but I don't know. This wig comes in a lot of colors. Comes in 1B, 2, 4, FF Cocoa, FF Cream, FF Golden, if this isn't the undertone you're looking for. But I feel like for my chocolate skin, this is like the perfect ash blonde. I like the length. The length is very flattering. It stops right here. That's a good length, especially for spring transitioning into summertime. It's not excessively long where you're gonna be hot. It's very lightweight. You get a nice bounce, and I like the density of the hair. I love the curl, that it's not a tight curl. I feel like this is something that later on, as the hair get older, you can recreate this type of curl pattern. So with the cap construction, it has 2 small combs right here in the front, which I did use because this cap is big. This cap is big. This cap is big. I have a very small head, small face, but this cap is big. So I did leave out some of my real hair in the front of the wig just so I can kind of back the wig up a little bit and it doesn't look as big. I also did the whole crisscross thing in the back so it like grips on tighter to my head. But other than that, like, I like the wig. It's just this 5-inch parting is very like long. I feel like because my head is so small, I don't need a part going all the way like to the back center of my head. Other than that, like, the wig feels really good. Like I said, today is my first day. I've only had this wig on my head for about what, 2 hours now, and I can see already that it's like I'm getting tangling here. Like they say, you know, the good thing is this wig is heat safe, so you can just quickly pop in a flexi rod or a flat iron and just curl the back. So yeah, so if you brush the hair, it's gonna like loosen up the pattern. And then what I found is that this hair will easily just go back into formation like that. Like, all you have to do is go like that and it's back. So you can brush it out, or you don't have to brush it out if you don't want to. But I'm already getting like tangling and I just put the wig on, so this definitely to me is not going to be like everyday wig. Let's see how it looks if we brush the whole thing out. Let me show y'all the back. It's not giving me like, you know, everyday wig or anything like that, but it's giving me wedding, it's giving me birthday glam, it's giving me baby shower, because I know we're gonna have some quarantine babies coming up. So yeah, I love the bounce. I just really feel like this is a really good ash blonde for dark skin. Like that's that on that. I purchased this wig on Wigtypes.com, and I think that it would be a really good wig to get for when we come out of this situation. Like, you're gonna have events to go to, sis. You're gonna have events. Yeah. So I'm getting a little bit of shedding. I'm also getting tangling from like the nape. See? So that's like one thing, but you know, you can't get everything out of a synthetic wig. 2 strands. And that's crazy because I have the Gabriella wig as well, and it doesn't really, like, it didn't tangle as fast as this one did, so that's actually surprising. But I don't normally go for FreeTress brands. So let's get a closer look at the wig. So you're gonna get a nice lace parting. You're gonna get some dark roots all throughout the hair. You're definitely getting that face framing look. If you want to get a messy look, you can just go like that. But I like how the curls just snap back together. It's more so like darker. It's like, so you'll get black and it'll fade into a nice brown, and it's pretty much the same all throughout the wig, which I really like. I feel like this is a really good dupe wig for some of these wigs that have been coming out recently with this whole face framing look. $25, you cannot beat it. Like, you cannot beat it. For $25, I mean, come on now. Like, so that's pretty much all I have to say from like my first impressions of this wig. I feel like it's constructed very nicely. I'm not sure like what fiber it is, but it is going to tangle at the back and the bottom, so don't expect to wear this wig like an everyday wig or anything like that. It's literally for a cute little celebratory, you know, we out of quarantine type of wig. I think this would look really good on dark melanated skin, darker than me even. Like, honey, this will just, oh my god, it looks so good. It accentuates my skin tone even more because it like frames my face, and I really like that. Like, I really like that.